Hey guys, it's Elena and I have a really quick tutorial today on how I created this wispy ribbon sort of effect in Procreate on my iPad using my amazing alcohol ink brushes. So when I first started out, I just got a maroon color and I chose my XL blended stroke brush. And this is a canvas that is 16 by 20 inches at 300 dpi. So I just went ahead and started making brush strokes across the screen, big brush strokes, and you can see that with this brush, when you go over an area where you've already been painting, it sort of disperses that, which is a look that I really wanted in this particular piece. So now I've chosen more of a peachy color, and I'm doing the same thing on top of where I've already used the maroon color, just a few more times. Then I went ahead and made the brush a bit smaller and made another line that overlapped but not to the same extent as the other ones, just to make it look like it's sort of wisping out at the end. So now I've gone ahead and I've made a new layer to go ahead and put my metallics on. And I chose a rose gold color in the metallic ink liner, which you probably have guessed by now if you've seen more of my videos that this is one of my favorite brushes. And I'm just going to go ahead and add this line of metallic ink just to a few areas to give them a little bit of an accent. And that is pretty much how I made this. It's very simple and easy to do and a lot of fun. You can get a lot of different looks this way. So I would encourage you to experiment with this and have a good time. If you have any questions or comments, be sure and let me know. And the link to the brushes is in the description down below. And I hope you enjoyed the tutorial.